Hello, dear students. So let's start today's lecture, and today's topic of the lecture is working with graphical tool, or we can say that working with drawing objects. So to insert an object on a writer, what you will do is you will click on the view option and you will choose a toolbar called a drawing toolbar. So here's a drawing toolbar, and you will you can just double click on this toolbar, so it will be aligned on the at the bottom of the page, or we can say at the near the status bar. You can remove it from here like that, or you can just double click on it to uh, put it again. So now to draw an object on a work area, you will select the object, be it a line or arrow or oval or whatever you want. So you will just click on the object that you want to draw. Click on the object. As soon as you click on the object you want to draw, drawing property object properties toolbars appears automatically. So you can draw the object, and once the object has been drawn, you can change the properties of the object from this toolbar. For example, you can change the lines, the outline of the object. You can increase and decrease the width of the outline or line width. You can change the color of the outline. If you want to change the the gradient colors, you can do like this, and you can even go for the background color of the object. You can choose the you can rotate the object by just clicking on the object, and then uh, I mean drag the mouse near the corner, and then you can drag it. By this you can change the center of rotation. If you have heard about the center of rotation, you can change the center of rotation like this. So it will rotate at this point. Then we have two background, like this is what we call, this is about the object along with the text. So we can shift the text object to the background or to the foreground. If we shift it to the background, then the text will appear uh, you know above the object, right? And this is bring to front and send to back. These all are what we call the options that we can do, like text wrapping as we did. So we can simply do with the object. Object means how the object will come along with the text. It is similar to text wrapping only. So suppose I am writing this, there is a text and there is the object. So with the help of this option, you can see now this is object, but the object is behind the text, and with this the object is in front of the text, and you can bring in front or bring it back. Okay, send to back or send to front. So it is about when there are two objects aligned together. And anchor, you already know about it, to the paragraph or to character, or as a character or to a page. So we basically put it as a character, as a paragraph, because the text is aligned with the paragraph. So there are many other types of objects that we can draw. Oval, you can ellipse or oval, you can free lines, you can draw, you can write text box, you can draw a text box where you can type on it. So this is a text box where you can type. You can also insert the basic shapes that which are there. Any shape you can draw and work with this shape. Symbols you can also draw, like a smiley or a moon or any symbol you can draw, and then once the symbol is drawn, you can change the background color or back color, or a font, sorry, or the line color of the text. Similarly, you can have flow charts, arrows, flow arrows, or balloon arrows. You can have block arrows, sorry, like this. And same thing you can once the object is drawn, you can apply the same drawing object properties to it. Then we have callouts, like if you want to make a comic or something like this. If someone says something, then you can draw like this. Uh, it is called, like, if you want to put a comment with a cartoon, then you can use callouts. You can draw stars also. There are so many other objects, font for gallery, from file, or extrusion on off. You can do this extrusion on off like this. You can have 3D effects on it. So these are the sorry, these are the types of shapes that we can draw in our Word document. And once an object is drawn, a shape is drawn, you can change the properties of this shape by with the help of drawing object properties. So hope you understood this. We will talk about another topic in my next lecture. Thank you so much.